Welcome to the Modern Pulse. In this video, we will be diving deep into the 2025 Honda Ridgeline Pickup, exploring its reviews, specs, and features to help you decide if this is the right vehicle for you. The 2025 Honda Ridgeline Pickup continues to impress with its unique design, which combines the best of both worlds, a rugged truck with the comfort and practicality of a traditional SUV. One of the standout features of the Ridgeline is its unibody construction, which provides a smooth, car-like ride compared to the traditional body-on-frame pickups. This design makes the Ridgeline a fantastic option for daily drivers who also need a vehicle capable of handling tough tasks. Under the hood, the 2025 Ridgeline offers a 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering around 280 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifts and optimal power delivery. The standard all-wheel drive system gives the truck excellent handling capabilities in various conditions, whether you're navigating through rain or mud. The Ridgeline is known for its towing capacity, capable of towing up to 5,000 pounds, which makes it more than adequate for most weekend adventures or hauling light to medium loads. The interior of the 2025 Honda Ridgeline is designed with comfort in mind. The cabin features spacious seating for 5 passengers, with high-quality materials and a user-friendly infotainment system. The 8-inch touchscreen comes standard, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. The Ridgeline also offers a suite of advanced safety features, including Honda Sensing, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning, ensuring peace of mind on every drive. One of the Ridgeline's most unique features is its truck bed. The 2025 model continues to offer the innovative in-bed trunk, which provides extra storage space for tools or gear, and the dual-action tailgate, which can open both downward and sideways. Additionally, the bed is made from durable, high-strength materials that are designed to withstand the rigors of tough jobs and outdoor activities. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Ridgeline shines. With its 3.5-liter V6 engine, it manages to achieve an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. These figures make it an efficient choice for those who want a pickup with lower fuel costs compared to some of its competitors. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Honda Ridgeline remains competitive, offering a variety of trim levels to suit different needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for a more basic version for daily commuting or a fully loaded trim for maximum luxury and utility, the Ridgeline has something for everyone. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated on more detailed reviews, specs, and features, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in to the Modern Pulse, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.